welcome to this episode of Mommy Sea Star. We have a wild little episode for you today. Hi! So it's windy out and we have ladybugs to set free. We went to the nursery today, and since we got free ladybugs last time, Amy insisted on us getting more this time. And they were not free. They were about $12 worth of ladybugs that are probably going to fly away, but we're gonna let them go. It's sort of the evening right now. It's very windy. So let's let them free. Yeah. I don't know. She's excited because it's the Santa Ana winds. Ah, you guys have no shoes on. I think our neighbor left us those things on the porch, which was very nice of her. Come here, let's let the ladybugs out, guys. Come here. I know it's windy. Yes. It's dry because of the wind. Look. Are you guys gonna help me? Here they are. Oh, they want to be free so badly.
Ladybug.
Gently. Where is she? Oh, it's Ladybug Day number 2. They're so cute.
The one's little good buddy.
Yeah. Are you saying your limerick? Where shall we put them? In with the hollyhock?
Everybody's swingy.
I don't think that the hollyhocks have a whole lot of aphids, so we'll put some over here, and we'll put some somewhere else as well. You're gonna let it fly? Gentle. Good job.
No.
Oh, it's not weird. Oh, here, put them in the plant.
I'm petting him.
Good. They want to be free. I think I'll put this on slow motion as I dump them out into here with the hollyhocks and the poppies. The idea is that if you let them go in the evening or at night, they will stay in your garden more readily, rather than just flying away. Last time they all flew away so fast, didn't they?
Oh yeah, but if you kill something,
You're on my back.
your back hurts.
Yeah, because you're on me. There's a nice red one, but they're all the same kind. What kind are they? How many spots do they have?
Well, let's see what happens when
12?
Let's see what happens.
He's drinking some water.
Oh.
There's a beautiful ladybug. Free. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have one. Oh, it was on your hat.
I just found an ice cream truck.
Yay.
I think that's my mom now.
You hold it.
Ladybug.
Beautiful. Say goodnight to the ladybugs. Hopefully they'll be here tomorrow. Hopefully. That's where they are. They're hiding in there.
Everybody at school likes ladybugs.
Me too.
Let the ladybugs go.